Okay, we have this swimming pool and it's got all these little heads in the bottom of it along the steps. And the problem we're having here is they're all coming up at the same time. So let me show you where that problem is. It's in this little dome-shaped device. You should have one on or near your equipment somewhere. We took the clamp off, we pulled the top, and you can see how this carousel is. And the way this works, as water goes through it, it turns this water wheel, which turns this gear assembly, which rotates the carousel. And as it rotates, it opens or closes these individual plungers, and you can see these are all, should be spring-loaded, they're all broken, and that's the reason they're all popping up at the same time. So what we've done is ordered a brand new one, and we tried to rebuild these once. There was some little pieces of gravel and stuff in it, so for the cost, much cheaper just to go ahead and buy a brand new one and replace it. In the kit, you'll get a brand new carousel, and you'll also get an O-ring, which is here in this little baggie that goes on around it. You can see the new one. See how these are solid? They don't bounce around like these old ones do. These are all broken and loose. So if yours is loose like this, you know it's time to replace it. You can see that water wheel in there. But anyway, so that's all you do. Just buy a new one, replace it, and I'll put a link in the description. But putting it in is just as simple as that. Just like that. We'll drop the new O-ring in place. And you know what? This is so simple.
Even an Aggie can do it.